Hi everybody, good morning. It's Tuesday. Oh, of course, the dog just started to bark. Right, so I just had a thought about something, and sorry, I have been picking my face, so this is the worst time to do this. I just had a thought, and I'm going to try this out, and this might be really cool, it might not be. So basically, we've got these gel eye masks, and I love them. I just don't find the time to use them properly. So sometimes I use them at night, but because they've got the gold mica, they're really nice for daytime use. I'm just going to shut my door quickly because the dogs are... They've probably seen the cat. And they honestly, I promise, they were really quiet before I started this. That's always the way. So what I'm going to do is, because I like to make the most of everything, and because they have got gold mica in, so you can see they've got a gold tint to them, and what that does is it makes them reflective. So what I am going to do, I will spit it out, I promise you, is so I'm just going to take one and put it under my eye. So I have actually already done my moisturiser. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to try and push it up so it's right under my eye like that. So there's not much of a gap. Now we're going to do the second one. Okay, here we go. So for anyone, I think Millie has said, how do you put it on? You literally just put them on like that. You can reverse them. I like to use them this way, but you can flip them. Well, so you get the bigger bit under over here. So anyways, so what I wanted to try was, how would this work for protecting your under eye when you're doing your eye makeup? So sometimes you get the fallout with the eyeshadow. I mean, I am pretty confident in that ours don't really do that. But at the same time, this is a good time to have these on and make the most of your skincare, and it's going to cause a nice glow under. So what I'm going to do now is just do my eye makeup as I would be. Is this the right one I want? Medium, neutral, yeah. Apparently I can't see today. So I'm just going to, so I always put concealer on my eyelid, and it's really hard to not want to just, I'm just going to do everything there. And then use my concealer brush to just brush this over. So normally I would never, I would have my whole base on before I do my eye makeup, because that is just part of what I do, because I'm obviously doing the base now and it would feel natural to just go all over, but I just want to see what it's like if I just try it with the eye patch underneath, because then I can still apply makeup on top of that area after I've taken them off. Let's be clear, I'm not just going to walk out with these eye patches on. I suppose I could. Some people do that. Good conversation. Hello, my darling Lenore. Okay, so that is just like my eye base on. And I always start with my mascara because I like to layer it up. So here we are. So the brand new mascara. Still not even launched yet. Oh. Whoop, bit of my eye mask falling off there. Keith is still going for it. Someone's obviously on the road and he doesn't like that they're on the road. Bloody rude. Dog police. Okay, so I've got my eye patches on. Hi, Sam Clark. Oh my God, I didn't even see you in Vegas. Oh my God. How dare somebody use the road outside my house? I mean, I'm hoping they'll just tire themselves out, but they are like the Energizer chihuahuas. I hope you can't hear them. You probably can. Hello, Vic! So, for people who are just coming on now, hi Janine. People who's just coming on now, you're all all in Australia, aren't you? Yeah, because everyone's at work in England. What I'm doing is I'm trying out putting eye patches on before I do all my makeup. So I'll put them on and I'll do my eye makeup. So then if there's any fallout, it lands on the eye patches, protecting that area. And then because they've got the gold in them, it feels wasteful in a way to put them on at night time, because you're not making the most of this gold reflectiveness, which is going to be really powerful for when you do your makeup and you want this area to look brighter. So just waiting for my mascara to dry. I'm just checking that there's nothing. I know, I just thought about it and I was like, why haven't I tried this before? I'm just checking that I'm expecting a delivery, some new CrossFit shoes. I'm so excited. Normally it's like high heels that I'm excited about, but for the first time ever, I'm excited about flats, trainers. Right, so I'm going to use probably mahogany, because I always use mahogany. I love it, you can tell. Thanks, darling. It's a Sally Hansen shade that I got when I was in the States. I actually thought it was more lilac. It's really pink. I bought it because I'm a bridesmaid for my sister-in-law and our dresses are lilac, and I thought, oh, perfect. It's completely the wrong colour. How do I launch? Well, I've done one coat and now I'm going to go in and do my eyeshadow. So by the time I've done that, it will be dry and ready to apply again. So I've just gone and got a medium-ish brush. It's quite dense. Obviously, it's an Arbonne one. And I'm just going to go over. So I'll probably just show you what I call the lazy smoky eye. I basically just go over the whole eyelid. Lots of people think it's taking me forever. But a lot of the time, it's just the confidence. And I suppose the good thing about these eye masks, I've just realised, because of the shape, you could probably push it up, right up here, and then use that as the shape for your shadow. Oh my goodness. Please bear with me, my blimmin' delivery's here! Early. Thank you for being patient. It's not my delivery, those puppies. Yeah, so it's actually one of the consultants in our nation, and I'm gonna give her a makeup lesson today. So I was like, oh my goodness, and she's a little bit early, but that's brilliant because then we can get lots of stuff in. Okay, so just doing, and I'm going to teach her this new trick because she's learning. She wants to learn makeup for a bride. Okay. So, pretty much like that. And then you've protected all underneath. So this is obviously really, really good when you're also going really dark on your colours. I also love our concealer brush. I have two. I have a concealer brush for concealer and I have one for our makeup because it's really nice and fanned out for the eyeshadow. And it just blends, so there we go. And then I'm going to do another coat of mascara. Boo-ba-doo. I can't believe it, it's all systems go. Oh, she's gone in. She's gone in and my kitchen's really messy. My intention was to keep the kitchen door shut with the hounds. Hi, hounds! And I put the heating on because it was really cold. Okay, so that's just a quick demo. And now, because I say to leave this on for up to 15 minutes, and now that skin is ready for priming. So I've got my concealer back. Oh, she's been friends with my dogs. Also, if you're about to do your makeup, don't start picking your face. Top tip that anyone will tell you that. But I'm a big picker. Anyone else pick out there? Not good. Oh, she thinks they're gorgeous. Good. Sometimes you think it's just you that thinks your shit bags are gorgeous. So as you can see as well, I've only actually just put concealer on and spread it around because I've got moisturiser on too. It spreads really nicely. And then I don't really need foundation. Obviously I'm going to blend that in there. So quiet. What is going on? So that's just a really good light makeup look. And I will put a little bit of bronzing on because that's what I do. Oh, hi hounds. Hi babies. You being nice down there. So I'm using our Soul Glow palette. Oh. And you can see that under my eyes is so bright and dewy. Because you don't want crepey eyes either. So yeah, that's just like a really glowy, quick look. And I hope you've learnt lots. If you've got any questions, always let me know.